Hey guys, good morning. Tim Knox here, back again on a lovely Alabama day. It is about 83 today. I told you we have two seasons here in Alabama. We have cold and we have hot. And hot as hell, but that'll come in about a week or so. But beautiful day today. It's in the 80s, sunshine. Of course, it's going to rain this weekend, but that's okay. That's okay. And that concludes this weather report from Alabama. Hey, welcome in. This is another really quick real estate minute, more or less, because if you know me, you know that I cannot really make any point whatsoever in a minute or less. Sometimes I can't make a point at all. I just tend to ramble. But calling it the real estate ramble, maybe that's what I should do. This is the real estate ramble. Anyway, we have been talking about the mortgage process, and we talked in a prior video. I addressed what is pre-qualification and what is pre-approval. Now the next step is what's called underwriting. Now, if you'll remember really quickly, pre-qualification just means you go to the lender, they take a quick look at your financials, and they pre-qualify you. And you're going to want a pre-qual letter before you start looking for a house, because you want to make sure that on the surface at least you can afford the house that you're looking at. Now the next step is pre-approval, and that's where the bank actually digs into your finances, your credit, your money, your debt ratio, and they pre-approve you for the loan. That means you are one step closer. Once you are, let's say you find a house you want to go through with a loan, that's when the underwriter gets involved. Now, the underwriting process, and again, I am not a lawyer. I don't play one on TV. Sometimes I play one in private, but that's a whole nother video. So this is not legal advice. I'm just giving you the definitions as I see them. So the underwriter portion of the process is where they start to cross their I's and dot the T's to make sure that you truly can afford that mortgage. The whole point of underwriting is making sure that the mortgage company is going to take a risk that is not a great risk, because you do have the wherewithal to pay it back. So during the underwriter process, they're going to look at everything from your personal accounts, your business accounts, savings, 401k. They're going to look at every little pocket of money that you've got. They're going to look at your credit history. They're going to look at your employment. They want to make sure that you can indeed afford this mortgage, and by all chances will pay it back. And boy, they really look at a lot, because they want you to prove where every nickel came from. I had when I refinanced my house, I transferred some money over from a stock account, and man, I had to go back and document where that money came from, the accounts, when it was transferred. Recently, I had one of my clients, the underwriter put a halt on everything until he could prove where $500 suddenly appeared in his account. And so they really will look at things closely, and that's their job. They want to make sure that you are a good risk and that you do have the financial wherewithal to pay back the loan. And underwriting can take a few days, it can take a week, it can take even longer with some mortgage companies. I'm not going to name any names, First Family, but anyway, once you get through the underwriter portion, then you're good to go. They will rubber stamp you, and the money is yours to spend on the house. So that's the process. You got your pre-qualification, your pre-approval, and your underwriting, okay? And once you get through all of those, congratulations, you may be a homeowner. All right. Hey, if you have any questions or comments about anything I do on this channel or any of these videos, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Look me up on Facebook. You can also find me. My website is hammerandsalesteam.com. That is my Keller Williams real estate website. And if you have any needs whatsoever when it comes to real estate, you know what I say? I'm your guy. I'm your guy. I need to trademark that. I bet it's already trademarked. I wonder if I'm infringing. Maybe I should call my underwriter. Anyway, have a great day.